Hi, this is Sherry's Journey coming to you with another Art Busy canvas. I, how's everybody doing today? It's a little hot this way, but we're getting through it. They're telling us it'll be about until 9 o'clock tomorrow night, and we should see a little bit cooler weather anyway. I'd like to show you this panda bear that I got from Art Busy. It's got 35 colors. It's 1 through 8 is 8, 9 through 35 are alphabet and symbols. The alphabet's in alphabetical order. And then I'll show you the toolkit here. Typical toolkit, pen, the tray, the wax, the tweezers. Pretty much what you get on most of them. And it is a 40 by 45. It's got some monkeys up here, and it's got some panda bears, a little elephant down here, some butterflies, some really pretty flowers, a waterfall. I thought it was really neat. And then it does have, let's see here, let me turn this around here. It's got 1, 2, 3, it looks like 5 fairy dust and 1, 2, 4 ABs in it also. I'm going to straighten this out here just so that you guys can see it a little better. It is kind of wrinkly. And the stick is really good. There's going to be no problem there at all. There is a couple little wrinkles in it. The post office wasn't real kind with my boxes today. There we go for that end. So how's everybody doing? I hope great. And enjoying your summer, because it sure is going fast this summer. Seems like we just get it and it's almost gone. Sorry about that. My fan is behind me and it's not helping with the cooperation here. I do this upstairs in my room, and our upstairs gets really warm, so I gotta have the fan. There we go. Maybe now you can see that a little better. I thought that was absolutely gorgeous. Now we'll take a look at the colors. If I didn't mention, it does come with an inventory sheet, so you can go through, oops, sorry about that, upside down. Go through and your colors here and check off and make sure that you've got them all just before you start, because there's nothing worse than running out of finding out you don't have some of the colors. Okay, we've got 3371, which looks like a really dark brown. We have, here's 3346, 3328, 5200, which is a really nice bright white, 977, 898, which is another brown, 3799, that's a really dark brown. We have 415, a gray. We have 349, this looks to be fairy dust. We have 712, and that's an AB. We have 666, a red AB. And then we have 605, which is a pink AB. And then we have 550, that's a purple AB. Then we have 553, which is another purple. 371, which is kind of like an army green. We have 318, which is another gray. 844, which is another brown. 824, which is a blue. 823, which is a darker blue. And this is more like a turquoise. 807. 927. 917. This is 900. 3829, which is kind of like a butterscotch brown, sort of, kind of. Oh, we got a hitchhiker. This is 3752. This is 3750. It's 783. This is 780. This is 743. 728. Get the rest of these out of here. Whoops. 720. 677. 3864, which is kind of like a tan. Here's another brown, kind of like a dark butterscotch. 3826. And then, of course, we have a big bag full of 310. But, yep, here's all the... I thought there was more of the fairy dust than there is. There seems to be more ABs. Yes, this is an AB, 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 AB. It seems like they only put one fairy dust. I didn't see the other ones. Well, we'll have to see when we go through it, because it shows that there's more than one of them. I'm not really sure. But I thought this was an awesome painting. It's going to turn out really good. I love panda bears and anything jungle like that. Elephants and you can't forget the dolphins and the whales, that kind of stuff too. I love that. But thank you for stopping by and hanging out with me, and I've always appreciated your support. You guys have a nice day and stay blessed. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.